Hi, hello friends, welcome to Talk English with Arun, your favorite podcast to learn English through powerful stories. Today's episode is about a man who didn't speak much, but his success made all the noise, Thalapathy Vijay. From personal loss to superstardom, the story will inspire you to believe in your journey, no matter how hard it gets. Chapter 1, The Boy Who Stopped Smiling. Vijay was born on June 22, 1974, in Chennai to director S.A. Chandrasekhar and singer Shobha. His early childhood was filled with love, but tragedy struck when he lost his little sister at the age of 2. This loss deeply affected Vijay. From a playful and talkative boy, he turned silent and introverted. His parents noticed the change but didn't force him, they let him heal in his own way. That silence stayed with him throughout his life and shaped his character. Even today, Vijay doesn't speak much in interviews or public events. But in that quietness, he developed strength and focus. His pain taught him empathy. The boy who stopped smiling would one day become the reason millions smiled. Chapter 2, Stepping into the Shadows of Cinema. At the age of 10, Vijay appeared in his first film, Vetri, directed by his father. Many thought it was easy for him because of his family background, but the truth was different. His father made him go through the grind like any other newcomer. Vijay wasn't treated like a star kid, he had to prove himself. His early performances weren't praised much. Critics said he had a regular face and an ordinary voice. But Vijay wasn't looking for instant fame. He kept learning, watching, listening, and working silently behind the camera too. Every small role added something to his growth. He didn't ask for stardom, he earned it slowly. Chapter 3, The Struggles of a Young Hero. When Vijay entered as a lead actor in the early 90s, he faced brutal criticism. People compared him to other actors. They called him emotionless, said he lacked screen presence. Even his own fans doubted if he could make it big. But Vijay didn't quit. He kept acting, kept showing up, film after film. Movies like Poovu Unakkaga started to change people's minds. He wasn't flashy, but he was real. He was slowly building trust. In a world full of noise and hype, Vijay's quiet growth was unique. He believed that results would speak, not words. Chapter 4, The Breakthrough That Changed Everything. Every actor has a turning point, and for Vijay, it was Gilli in 2004. The film was a massive hit and changed how Tamil cinema looked at him. Suddenly, he was no longer the struggling actor, he was the action star. The audience cheered his entry, repeated his dialogues, and copied his style. But success didn't make him arrogant. He remained humble, calm, and focused. He realized success was not a destination, it was a responsibility. After Gilli, Vijay started choosing films more wisely. He had found his space, and now he wanted to protect it with hard work. Chapter 5, Becoming the People's Hero. Vijay's connection with his fans grew stronger each year. He didn't need flashy interviews or controversies. He won hearts with his on-screen roles and off-screen humility. He often played the role of a common man in films, someone who fights for justice, protects the weak, and never gives up. This made fans feel that he was one of them. He also began quietly helping people, funding education, supporting medical cases, and helping in disaster relief without media attention. His kindness was real, and fans saw it. That's how Vijay became not just a star, but a symbol of hope. Chapter 6, Battling the Media and Critics. Not everyone supported Vijay. Media questioned his silence, his acting, and sometimes even his political views. Rumors spread. Trolls attacked. But he never reacted. He once said, "Let my work speak for me." This mindset showed maturity. He knew reacting to negativity only adds more fire. Instead, he chose to focus on improvement. He let his performances do the talking. And they did. Critics who once mocked him started appreciating his growth. Silence became his shield. Patience became his weapon. He taught everyone, you don't need to fight every battle, just win with results. Chapter 7, The Political Whisper. As Vijay's popularity grew, so did the speculation about his political entry. People saw leadership qualities in him. His speeches during film functions started sounding like a leader's words. But Vijay stayed mysterious. He never confirmed or denied it. He spoke about people's problems, youth power, and justice. He didn't wear white clothes or attend rallies, but his fanbase started looking more like a political movement. He showed that even without entering politics, one can influence change. And he did, through movies, messages, and his silent impact on society. Chapter 8: Failures that didn't break him. Even big stars face failures, and Vijay was no exception. Films like Sura and Puli didn't do well. Critics started saying his time was over. But Vijay never disappeared. He returned stronger. With films like Thuppakki, Katti, and Mersal, he bounced back. His comebacks were louder than his setbacks. He showed that failure is not the end, it's a part of the journey. Every flop taught him what to avoid. Every comeback proved he was a fighter. He didn't panic, he prepared. That's how champions are made. Chapter 9: The Rise of Thalapathy. The name, Thalapathy, means commander, and Vijay earned it not by declaring it, but by deserving it. His fans gave him the title, and it stuck. Vijay's mass appeal, his silent charisma, and his calm strength made him a true leader of hearts. He became a trendsetter, not just in films, but in attitude. His walk, his stare, his smile, everything became iconic. Yet, with all the slough, he remained grounded. He never showed off. He never forgot his roots. That's what made him more than a hero, it made him a phenomenon. Chapter 10: The Power of Simplicity. One of Vijay's greatest strengths is his simplicity. Despite being one of the highest paid actors, he dresses modestly, speaks less, and lives privately. He doesn't attend big celebrity parties. He doesn't show off luxury. For him, acting is a job, not a show. This simplicity makes him relatable. Fans feel like he's one of them. In a world obsessed with attention, Vijay shows that calmness and dignity can also earn love. His lifestyle teaches us that simplicity is not weakness, it's confidence. Chapter 11: Messages through movies. Vijay has always used cinema as a medium for social messages. Whether it's about farmers' rights in Katti, medical corruption in Mersal, or the education system in Master, his films speak to the people. He never forces these messages. He blends them with entertainment. That's why his movies are not just hits, they create discussions. His fans don't just enjoy the fight scenes, they absorb the values. Vijay understands the power of influence, and he uses it wisely. He doesn't just entertain, he educates. Chapter 12: Father, Husband, and Private Man. Behind the screen, Vijay is a family man. He rarely talks about his personal life, but those close to him say he's a loving husband and a caring father. He keeps his family away from the limelight, giving them a normal life. This balance shows his maturity. He understands fame as public, but love as personal. He protects his peace. He teaches us that you can be successful without losing your personal space. Fame doesn't have to invade your privacy, if you know where to draw the line. Chapter 13: The Man of Few Words. Vijay is known for his short, impactful speeches. At audio launches, he delivers one or two lines that go viral. His "Sarkar ko ketadu solrathu dhan vetti velai" line created a storm. He doesn't waste words, he uses them like arrows. His silence is louder than most people's shouting. He proves that when you speak with honesty, you don't need to speak much. This quality makes his words valuable. When Vijay speaks, people listen, not because he speaks often, but because he speaks wisely. Chapter 14: The Youth Icon. Vijay's fanbase is filled with young people. They admire his style, his attitude, and his silence. But more than that, they admire his growth. He shows them that being introverted is not a weakness. That staying away from controversy is a strength. That working hard quietly is more powerful than shouting about success. He inspires youth to believe in themselves, improve daily, and stay humble. He's not just a cinema icon, he's a life icon. He leads by example, not by noise. Chapter 15: The Legend Still in the Making. Vijay's journey is still ongoing. He hasn't stopped growing, evolving, and surprising us. Every film adds a new layer to his legacy. Every performance shows his maturity. But his biggest success is not box office numbers, it's the love of people. In every village and city, from small boys to grown men, people see themselves in Vijay. His life teaches us to be patient in pain, humble in success, and silent in strength. Thalapathy Vijay didn't just build a career, He built a movement of inspiration, hope, and belief.